Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ocean Lodge. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, parking, beachfront, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly and a family rooms. The Ocean Lodge is opposite the shores of ocean and features rentals with full kitchenettes. An outdoor pool is available to guests. Free Wi-Fi and a flat-screen cable TV are included in the guest studios of these Boca Raton rentals. All units also feature a dining area and a sofa bed. Laundry facilities is available to guests of the Boca Raton Ocean Lodge, and guests will also enjoy an on-site business center. Guests will also enjoy free parking. This property is located 3 miles from Florida Atlantic University and 5 minutes drive from Boca Raton City Center. The Mizner Park and Amphitheater are just 2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.